Do Walmart ice cream sandwiches really melt or not? Let's put them to the test. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and 74 degrees. The vanilla ice cream sandwich is on the left and the Neapolitan ice cream sandwiches is on the right. It is now 5:30 in the afternoon, and as you can see, a little bit of melting around the edges for both vanilla and Neapolitan ice cream sandwiches, but not a lot. Okay, it's just before 10 p.m. This is how these sandwiches look right now. One thing I noticed, vanilla sandwich, the cookie part, feels a little more intact than the Napolitano sandwich, which feels much more squishy at this point. 8:44 a.m. the next morning, almost 16 hours later, and here we are. Not much difference, still not melted. What the heck going on here? Here we are 2 days later, and this is what we got. Again, this is not a myth. These things do not melt. Okay, so what is stopping these ice cream sandwiches from melting? I looked at all the ingredients, and these are the specific ingredients I think might be slowing down the melting process. However, these things didn't melt for 2 days, so I went into Claude AI, artificial intelligence, and I specifically asked the question, what is stopping great value ice cream sandwiches from melting 2 days later? Claude AI basically said, not sure, but it might be due to a whole bunch of artificial flavors and other ingredients.